Are you an avid fisherman looking for the perfect fishing rod and reel combo? Look no further. In this video, we will explore the best fishing rod and reel combos on the market today. From freshwater to saltwater fishing, we'll cover the top options for every type of angler. Our experts have tested and reviewed these combos to provide you with the ultimate guide to choosing the perfect setup. Get ready to reel in your next big catch with our top picks for the best fishing rod and reel combos. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. Segalang Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Segalang Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is an excellent option for anglers of all levels. The combination of a high-quality rod and reel makes for a perfect setup for any fishing situation. The rod is made of high-density carbon fiber, which gives it excellent sensitivity and power while remaining lightweight. The reel is also top-notch with a smooth drag system and durable construction. One of the standout features of this combo is its versatility. It can handle a variety of fish species and fishing techniques, from freshwater bass to saltwater game fish. The handle is comfortable to hold for long periods, and the rod is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient to transport. Overall, the Segalang Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is an excellent investment for any angler looking for a reliable, versatile, and high-quality setup. With its impressive features and affordable price point, this combo is undoubtedly a great value for money. Number 2. PLUSINNO Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. The PLUSINNO Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and portable fishing setup. The telescopic design of the rod makes it easy to transport and store, while the included reel provides smooth and reliable performance. The rod itself is made from high-quality materials that are both lightweight and durable. The ceramic guides and stainless steel reel seat ensure that the rod can handle a wide range of fishing situations and species. The included reel is also well designed and offers smooth performance, thanks to its high-quality ball bearings. The anti-reverse system and adjustable drag provide excellent control over your catch, making it easier to reel in even the biggest fish. Overall, the PLUSINNO Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and high-performance fishing setup. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced angler, this combo is sure to provide years of reliable use and enjoyable fishing experiences. Number 3. Cutricus Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Cutricus Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is a fantastic option for both beginner and experienced anglers. The rod and reel are well matched, providing smooth casting and retrieval, and the overall build quality is excellent. The lightweight graphite construction of the rod makes it comfortable to hold and reduces fatigue during long fishing sessions. The reel features a reliable drag system that allows for precise adjustments, and the smooth bearings ensure that the reel operates smoothly and quietly. The combo also includes a high-quality fishing line, which is a nice bonus. One thing to note is that the rod is a bit on the shorter side, which may not be ideal for some fishing situations. However, for general use and most types of fishing, this is not a major issue. Overall, the Qudrakast Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is a great value for its price point, offering a quality build and reliable performance. It is a great choice for anyone in need of a solid fishing setup. Number 4. BlueFire Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The BlueFire Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is a great choice for both novice and experienced anglers alike. The combo includes a sturdy and flexible carbon fiber fishing rod with a comfortable EVA grip and a high-quality spinning reel that can handle both freshwater and saltwater fishing. The rod is designed with a ceramic guide ring that reduces friction and ensures that your line moves smoothly, while the reel has a powerful 5.21 gear ratio and an anti-twist line roller. The reel is also equipped with a sensitive front drag system that helps you catch fish with ease. What I love most about this combo is how easy it is to use. It's lightweight and balanced, making it easy to cast and control your line. Plus, the reel's smooth drag system ensures that your catch doesn't get away. Overall, the BlueFire Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is a great investment for anyone looking for a high-quality and reliable fishing combo. It's durable, versatile, and designed to help you catch more fish. Number 5. Ghosthorn Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Ghosthorn Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is an impressive piece of fishing equipment that delivers excellent performance at an affordable price. The combo features a high-quality graphite rod that is both lightweight and durable, making it easy to handle and transport. The reel is also of high quality, with a smooth and reliable drag system that provides excellent control over your catch. The combo is designed to work seamlessly together, with the rod and reel complementing each other to provide a smooth and efficient fishing experience. One of the standout features of the Ghosthorn fishing rod and reel combo is its versatility. The rod is suitable for a wide range of fishing techniques, including trolling, jigging, and spinning, while the reel can handle a variety of line weights and lure types. Overall, the Ghosthorn fishing rod and reel combo is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance fishing setup that won't break the bank. It's easy to use, reliable, and versatile, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced anglers. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information.